Today we have the 2016 Nissan X-Trail. This vehicle has done just over 66,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel time. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access audio, navigation, traffic messages, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.